If your refrigerator's ice maker keeps overflowing, low water pressure, or a restriction in the water inlet valve could be preventing the valve from shutting off all the way. The home's water supply line needs to provide water pressure between 20 and 120 pounds per square inch for the water inlet valve to operate properly. To help determine if your home has sufficient water pressure, shut off the home's water supply valve. Detach the water supply line from the inlet valve and hold the line over a bucket. Turn the water supply back on and observe whether or not there is a strong flow of water jetting out of the line. A weak flow indicates a problem with the water line or the home's water supply valve. A strong flow will indicate the problem is probably caused by an obstruction in the inlet valve or a defective valve solenoid. You'll need to replace the valve with a new one to solve the overflow problem. Trying to clean out an obstruction from an inlet valve is not recommended, as this will increase the chances of the part failing.